We have here a 19th century guidebook in very pleasing condition. This is really a well-preserved example of Osgood's Middle States. There are many different variant examples of this work with different dates and imprints and so on. This here, I will just briefly attempt to show some of the highlights of it. You'll notice that there are two pockets, one at the front and one at the rear. Often in these types of guidebooks, the folding maps that were issued within those pockets is typically missing. And so what we have here, however, is an example of the guidebook where both of the maps are present. And you see that they are large folding lithographed maps, like so, which have the typical splitting at fold line intersections, but actually remain very clean and well preserved, very light offsetting from the ink, which is almost certainly erasable with a gum eraser if you desire, the Great Lakes and so on. So this is the first map here. And you see that maps like this that have been folded for this period of time do have a tendency to want to refold themselves in a way. Well, this one may not. There we are. Let's see, look at that. So, back in it goes. And let's take the rear one out now. Get that out of the way. Here, typical toning from the cardboard used and the binding. You'll see that. And this one also is clean and fresh and large and lithographed, like so. It's probably not been unfolded much at all in its history. Like this. Okay, and then we're going to open it, like so, to show you that the paper is indeed still supple enough to be handled, but you have to be careful when you do it. It may not look like I'm being careful, but I am. All right, let's just see if we can do this. Look at that. There we are. And so this is New York wilderness here. This is great. The Adirondacks leading over to right here. Yep, Lake Champlain, the Vermont border, and the Canadian border up north. And so, yeah, this is a nice map. And just let it fold itself right back up. Like so. There we are, hopefully, with any luck. There we are. Let's just see if we can't recreate that. Okay, look at that. There we are. Okay, back in it goes. And like so. Nice and gentle there. Now, let us see. There is a list, I do believe, of, here we are. These are the various city plans that are found within. And these are the various maps that are found within. And so scattered throughout is an assortment of this type of folding map like this. Here we have New York with hotels, theaters, churches, squares, and Brooklyn even mentioned. Okay, there's that. And then of course we have these smaller ones, and then we have the larger fold out like this. Brooklyn, there's a nice map of Brooklyn with cemeteries, churches, ferries, hotels noted in the key. And we go on, and then there's like this of Long Island, and here appears to be the Hudson River, okay, leading down to Manhattan, and all throughout like so. You'll notice that the contents are exceptionally clean and white and bright, well preserved. Many guidebooks of this vintage show extensive signs of handling, staining, lacking maps, etc. This is Toronto. Relatively few examples survive in this kind of a fresh state of preservation. And this map here is loose, but that's a trivial thing. That's of no significance, really. There's Philadelphia. That can be tipped back in a second if you desire. And this guidebook is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.